Woo! I finally had something to eat, and it was called a coq madame. A coq madame is what I learned in French. It's a typical French breakfast. Sometimes I'll have a coq monsieur, and it's like it's very European. It's like your toasted ham and cheese with an egg on top and a little salad on the side. Gave me some olives. Drank an orange juice, finally. You hear the bells? Yep, there's a steeple tower over there. And so far, Copenhagen is a beautiful city. I love the city, it's nice. It's a very typical Scandinavian city. I love the beautiful architecture. The people here are awesome. Maybe it's just because it's a summertime here. And last night there was a thunderstorm, and I slept through it in my hostel, which actually gave in good weather because it was cool and chilly. And it's not midnight, but midday. It's already 12. So yeah, it's been pretty good so far. And I'm heading to the Faroe Islands today. Hopefully I don't miss this flight. But yeah.